Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a ridiculously long time since I have posted, but I've been wanting to come back and do videos for you guys for ages, and I thought, why not come back with a bang? So I have created this look running around the idea of the Avengers Endgame because that has recently been released, and I love the Avengers. Me and my husband have watched all the movies and I can't wait to watch the next one. So I've created this with all of my favorite characters. So we've got a little bit of Hulk, some Iron Man, some Captain America, and some Spider-Man. And all the imagery that I have seen has got a bold purple background, so I thought that I would kind of throw some purple in there as well. Of course, I wanted to add that Thor is also one of my favorite characters, and if I thought I could do Chris Hemsworth justice, I would paint him on my face, but I wasn't even going to go there, so I thought that I would just kind of muddle this all in together. So for those of you who are wondering who I am Helen Marie. I am a makeup artist and I love working with colour. I love creating themed looks. I just like playing with colours that kind of you wouldn't expect to go together. So I like doing really creative looks, and this is one of them. So please come and check me out on Instagram, where I post regularly on most of my makeup looks that I do. I will pop a link down below for that, and don't forget to follow because there will be more videos coming your way. I'm really dedicated to getting this channel off the ground, so please hit the subscribe button right now. It helps me out a ton. So anyway, if you want to see how I created this look, it took over about 6.5 hours, so it was crazy insane, and halfway through I kind of lost my mind and forgot what I was doing. But if you want to see how I created this look, come on with me and we'll get started.